Hello, good morning, Sat Shri Akal. Today in Haazz Kitchen, I'm going to show homemade remedy for cough, cold, and flu. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the ingredient normally available in the kitchen, uh, like garlic, bulb of garlic, honey, and coconut oil. I have chopped already garlic in small pieces. Then start the stove at low flame and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Let it warm. As you see, the oil is warm, and now I'm gonna add chopped garlic in the pan. Cook until this garlic turn golden brown, and make sure the flame is low, because the garlic has the tendency to burn easily. Flame low. Keep mixing it until it turns golden brown. As you can see, it's turned golden brown, so turn the flame off and let it cool for like maybe take 5 minutes. But so in the meantime, it's getting cold. I'm gonna add tablespoon of honey in a different glass jar. So you need a glass jar for this remedy, no plastic. You can add more honey if you like, especially if you're giving to the children, they like more sugary. So honey is very good for cough, cold, and flu as well. So I added 2 tablespoon of honey, and now I'm gonna add garlic. And you can keep it this remedy for like weeks, even for months. Now, as you seen, I have added garlic in the jar and mix it well. And store it for like anytime you have cold or coughs. For children, you can like this amount of twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, with warm water. And for adult, you can use like this quantity, like 1 teaspoon in the morning and in the evening. This remedy works for me and my family very well. Garlic and honey is like antibacterial, antiviral properties, and it worked for us, for whole family. Thank you for watching and supporting me.